Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Tally for Modern Form UI and Logic, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Tally website. Locate the register or sign up option on the home page. Click on the registration link. You will be redirected to the registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password and confirm it in the next field. Provide your name and contact number as required. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Review the terms and conditions, and check the box to accept them. Once all fields are filled correctly, click the Submit button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submission. Go to your email inbox and find the verification email from Tally. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Tally homepage again. Now, log in using your registered email and password. Upon successful login, you will see the Modern Form UI dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. Explore the options for customizing your profile. Check any additional settings that may require your attention. Now you are registered with Tally and ready to utilize the Modern Form interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.